So another look I'm gonna give, which I think is super chic, super cool, you can take it anywhere, is the top knot. The top knot is all about placement. So you really want it on top of your head. So we're gonna begin by brushing. I'm also gonna leave some pieces out because I think that's really cool, sexy, and I'm done. I'm gonna get into it by brushing really tight. I'm gonna use my hair cream oil to really slick those sides up. Or the pony to begin with is really, I'm really getting it literally on top of her head. Look at that shine, love it. This product is really helpful to smooth away the flyaways. So what I did is I snatched it up. Again, I used a hook tie. I'm gonna use a little bit more of the hair cream oil. I love this stuff, especially for a sleek look like this on the sides, because it tames frizz, and then I made it super tight. Then what you're gonna do is just kind of smooth it out a little bit with, you can again use some of the hair cream oil just to kind of, I like a tight top knot. Just kind of roll a bun. You can do a bunch of different ways. You can use another hair tie. I like just to use a simple hook. I like a little height there. I don't like it to be perfect. I'm not even using any hairspray. I'm just showing you a quick little look. And you guys can take it away and get creative. She could go out to dinner. She could do a red carpet. She can go to the movies. She could go to Sunday brunch. She could go on a cute little date. She could go for a walk in the park. She could go rollerblading. Tons of things.